Dear students, so in the last class we discussed the formula to find the mode. What is that? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is the lower limit of the model class. Now F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class. Then F1, that is frequency of the model class. Then F2, frequency of the class succeeding the model class. And H is already that is step length or step size it is. So now we shall start the second exercise, that is 14.2. So see the question. The first question is, the following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Ages in year. So this is age in years, and these are number of patients. This is what frequency it is. Between the age of 5 to 15, 6 members are there, 6 patients. 15 to 25, 11 patients, and so on it is. Okay. Now next one. Find the mode and mean of the data given above. We have to find mode as well as mean. So already we know how to find the mean in the last exercise. Okay. So first we shall find a mode for the given data. Okay. So then they said that compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. So we can discuss afterwards about that. Now first we shall find the mode. How to find a mode? So to find a mode, first I have to write the model class. So already we know this meaning. What is the model class? It is nothing but the class which has highest frequency. Okay. So the class which has highest frequencies. So see the frequency column. So the highest one is, in this one is 23. Among all these values, 23 is the highest. So corresponding class is 35 to 45. This is the model class. So model class is 35 to 45. Am I right? So first you have to observe the highest frequency in the frequency column. Corresponding class will be the model class. Next I have to write the remaining terms L, F1, F0, F2 and H, and okay, we have to write them. L is nothing but what? So lower limit of the model class. Lower limit of model class. So that is equals to this is the model class. In this one lower limit is 35. Therefore L is equal to 35. Next so you may get confused with F0, F1 and F2. So you have to write like this: F0, F1, F2. So this is model class, frequency of the model class, frequency of the class preceding the model class, and this is frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Okay. F0 you arrange in order 0, 1, 2. F0, F1, F2. Okay. F0, F1, F2, 0, 1, 2. So middle one will be the model class, frequency of the model class. Now F0 will be the frequency of the class preceding the model class. Then F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. First I'll write F0. So F0 is what it is? Frequency of the class, frequency of the class preceding the model class, F0. So this is what it is, F1 it is. Okay. So preceding the model class, that is F1, that is 21 it is. Okay. F0. Next one is what? F1. F1 is the frequency of the class, frequency of the model class it is. So that is frequency of the model class. Frequency of the model class, that is 23. So this is the model class. So the frequency of the model class is 23. F1. Then the last one is F2. Frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Succeeding the spelling succeeding the model class. That is what it is, 14. Ft is 14. Then the last term I need is what? H. That is step length or step size. Both are same. So difference of each class interval is 10. Therefore I will take H as 10. Now I have to use all those terms. I have to substitute them in the formula. That is mod is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay. So this is the formula. You should remember it. Now we can substitute all these value here. Now this is equal to. So L is what here? 35 plus F1. So here F1 value is 23 minus F0. F0 value is 21 divided by 2F1. 2 into 23. 2 into 23 minus F0. So F0 value is how much it is? 21 minus F2. Here F2 value is 14 into H. H value is 10. Okay. Now this is equal to 35 plus 23 minus 22. This is 46 minus 21 or minus 14. That is minus 35. Am I right? 35 into 10. Now this is 35 plus 2 divided by 46 minus 35. 6 plus 5, 11 into 10. Now 35 plus 20 divided by 11. Divide this. 35 plus 20 divided by 11. 11 on the 11 remains 9 point. It will become 90. 9 8s are 88. Remains 2. 9 8s are 88. Remains 2. It will become 20. Again 9 1s are. Okay. 9 1s are. 11 1s are. So leave it. So this is equal to how much it is? 35.81. It is the mode of the given data. Okay. Now I expanded these terms. L, F0, F1, F2, H. So is it necessary to expand all these terms? Usually this question only for mode. If they ask mode for 3 marks, better you expand all these terms, because in the formula substitution and calculation is not that much lengthy. So they may think to give 3 marks for this only. If you write these explanations, so easily they will give the 3 marks. Okay. So if they ask 3 marks for both mean and mode, then no need of write all these expands. Okay, you can take directly the terms, find the mode. Next we have to find what? We have to find the mean. So here it is 35.81 I written. It is not 35. So this is 36.81 it is. Now let us find the mean for the same problem. Okay. So in the question only they said you have to find mode and mean. So just remember 36.1 it is the mode it is. Now let us use the method, direct method, to find the mean. Now we'll take this as CI, class interval. The number of patients as frequency. Number of patients. So this is Fi. First class interval it is 5 to 15, 6, 15 to 25, 11, 25 to 35, 21, 35 to 45, 23, 45 to 55, 14, 55 to 65, 5. Okay. Now we have to find what? Mean. So for that one, I need the next one is what? Midpoint or class mark. Class mark. Okay. Next class mark, that is xi. So upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Each difference is 10. So that I can add 5 to the lower limit. I will get the same. So class mark here is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here it is what? 60. Now this is what? Class mark. Now by direct method I need the next one is fi into xi. So it will multiply this 2, 60, 22. It is means 220. Next 21 3s are 63. 630. 23 4s are 46 means 92. Am I right? 920. Next 14 5 4s are 20. 2 5 7 it is. Okay. 5 4s are 20. 2 5 plus 2 700, right? 6 5s are 30. 300. Okay. This is fi xi. So then I have to find the sum of fi xi and the sum of fi. Now we have to find the mean by direct method. So sum of this is 0, 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 13, 10, 11, 20, 26, 28, 2830. And sum of this 14, 19, 22, 42, 43, 63, 63, 64, 74, 80. They given it as 80. Okay. Now by direct method. Mean x bar is equal to summation I equals to 1 to n fi into xi divided by summation I equals to 1 to n fi. Now this is equal to fi xi sum is 2830 divided by sum of fi is what? 80. Okay, 0 0. So remaining is 283 divided by 8. Now this is equal to 8 3s are 24, remains 4. It will become 43. 8 5s are 40, remains 3. It will become 30. 30 means 8 3s are 24. 24 for 30. Once again 8 3s are 24. 24 means remaining 4. It will become 43. 8 5s are 40. Remains 3. It will become 30. 8 3s are 24. Remains is 60. Again now 8 7s are 56. Okay. 35.37 is what mean it is. Okay. Now we have to write at the end they said one statement. What is that? In the question, compare and interpret the two measures. So now I have to write the conclusion, what the mode represents and what the mean represents. So first one is what? Mode. So mode is equal to how much I got? 36.81. Represents that the maximum number of patients number of patients admitted to the hospital, admitted to the hospital at the age of 36.81 years. Okay, so it is mode is nothing but what it is, maximum. Okay, 36.81 maximum number of patients admitted to the hospital at the age of 36.81 years. Then another one, mean how much you got? That is 35.37 I got, I think. Okay, it represents, mean is nothing but what it is, average, represents that the average number of patients admitted to the hospital at the age of what is that, 35.37 years. Okay, this is average and this is maximum number of people. Now we shall start the second question. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetime in hours of 225 electrical components. So lifetime they have given in hours, corresponding frequency they have given. Determine the model lifetime. So model, it is nothing but what it is, mode. So model lifetime of the components, mode we have to find. Okay, for that, so first I should write what, model class. This is very important, model class. So you observe the frequency column. In this one, the highest one is what, 61. Therefore the model class will be 60 to 80. Now we have to write the remaining terms. Those are L is lower limit of the model class. Okay, so here actually they ask only the mode. So better you can expand those terms. Okay, here I will write directly, I will take the values. So L is what here? It is a lower limit, 60. Okay, you can expand L, lower limit of the model class. Then next, what is that? F0 first. Okay, F0 is nothing but what? Frequency of the class preceding the model class. So here is the model class. So F0 is what? 52. Frequency of the class preceding the model class. Then F1. Next, frequency of the model class. So frequency of the model class is what here? Frequency of the model class. We cannot put dash to write the terms. Expand it. That is 61. Next, F2. F2 is what here? Frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Means after that frequency, what is it? 30 is there. 38 is there. 38. Now H is what here? Step size or step length. See the difference of each class interval, 20 is there. Therefore I will take it as 20H. Now we can write the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now this is equal to L. L value is here what? 60 plus F1. F1 value is 61 minus F0. F0 value is 52 divided by 2 into F1, 61 minus F0, 52 minus F2 value is 38 into H value is how much it is? 20. Next 60 plus 51 minus 61 minus 52, 9 divided by, so this is how much it is? 122 minus 52, 60, 90 it is. 90 into 20. Now this is 60 plus 9 divided by. So this is 32 into 20. Now we shall divide this. 4 8s. Okay. 4 5s. Now remaining 60 plus 9 5s. 55 divided by 8. Now this is mod is equals to 60 plus divided by 8. 8 5s. 40. Remains is what? 50. It will become 50. Point. 6s. Okay. 48. 48 means 20. 8 2s 16. Okay. Leave it. This is equal to 65.62. It is what? Mod. Okay. At the end I should write what? Model lifetime. Conclusion I have to write na. So what they said at the end? Model lifetime of components is equal to model. Write it. Model lifetime of components. Model lifetime. Model lifetime of components. Components is equal to 65.62. 65.62. Okay. Then third one is there. So you can try by yourself. What is that? The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the model. Model is nothing but what it is? Mode. Model monthly expenditure of the families. We have to find mode. Then also find the mean monthly expenditure. Okay. You find the mode and mean for that. Okay. You try yourself. After that, you can send your solution to me also. Okay. So you try it. So for this question, so I should write the unit here. So 65.62. It is nothing but what is hours. So you can write it as hours. Okay. To get full marks, this is also very important. Okay.